Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jason Getty, and I'm on my way to the Chevy dealership to get my spark plugs changed. So thought I'd give you all an idea about how much that costs in case you got that coming up. The Swimobile has 95,441 miles on it because it's been to Florida about 14 times, something like that, and it's about that time. So I want to let you all know what happens with the bill and show you all what you can expect when it comes time to get your spark plugs changed at the dealership. Okay, so I got my truck back, and as you can see, I'm averaging 18.1 miles per gallon, and I have noticed the truck is running a little smoother than it was before. It had a miss in it, and the check engine light came on when we were in Virginia, so went ahead and had the spark plugs changed. So I went into the dealership, and they had originally quoted me $169. Went in, told the guy what I needed, and he was like, well, would you like to have all these other services? And I was like, no thank you. And so he rung the ticket up, and it came out to $275, which I looked, and he went ahead and included a bunch of extra stuff in there anyways. And I said, well, I told you I didn't want anything extra. The guy on the phone told me $169 for the spark plugs and wires, and that's what I want. And he was like, oh, okay, well, I'll just change that then. And so he changed the order to spark plugs and wires, and that's all they did. But I have noticed that the truck is running quite a bit better, and $169 for spark plugs and wires is what I ended up paying at Bachmann Chevrolet out the door with my veteran discount. So if you go to Bachmann, make sure to tell them you're a veteran and show them your veteran card, or if you're in the military, show them your military card, and they will knock 10% off. So I ended up basically saving myself the taxes and stuff like that by using my discount. So, all right, well, thank you all for watching. Oh my gosh, I'm at 18.2 miles a gallon in a V8 4x4. Holy cow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you later.